to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down, let me down, let me down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You gave me feelings that I never knew.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am back. I'm so excited to be back, and today I will be telling you guys about this beautiful wig I have on. It's called Mindy by Outre, and this is part of their melted hairline collection. And this is what the stock card looks like. I did get her in the color DR2 GINGERBROWN, and she does come with the part here on the right side, so you will not get lace all the way over. You're only going to get lace from ear to ear and on the part, and it's pretty deep. It goes far back. I would say maybe about 5 inches from your forehead, so I really like that a lot. This is a shoulder length hairstyle, more like an everyday wig, you know, that you will be comfortable wearing. She is big head friendly, so thumbs up to Outre for that. So you will get plenty of lace to go from ear to ear. She is heat safe up to, I believe, 450 degrees, but I always use my comb on a setting number 5, which is really low. If your comb doesn't have that kind of setting, I wouldn't use anything more than like 325 degrees, because it is synthetic, it's not human hair, and this is not a human hair blend. What I do like a lot about Outre, and I have to give them their props, is how they do their color. So it does start off with the dark root, like a number 2 color, and then it just fades out to this beautiful ginger brown color. Pretty. It does have some pops of lighter shades there, which I like a lot. 5 feet tall for reference, so it does fall about maybe around my shoulder blade area. So yeah, I like it a lot. I don't see a lot of videos on Mindy, so I wanted to give her a try and see what she was all about, and so far I am loving her. It does come with baby hairs, so I went ahead and laid a few down. As you can see, I didn't do anything too dramatic, because to me this is more like an everyday wig. I don't want to do a full melt or anything. I didn't even do a ball cap method. I just left my wig cap on. It does come pre-plucked, so I didn't have to do any plucking on the hairline or on the part as well. I ordered this a long time ago, and I'm gonna put the price somewhere on the screen, because I don't remember what I paid for this particular unit. It does come in other colors here, so like a blonde color. I think she's wearing a Cajun Spices right here, and I think she has the color that I have. And then of course you do have your other colors as well. But yeah, so if you guys are looking for something that's really like affordable and something that you can wear every day, don't have to have the hair all the way down to your butt or anything, you know, this would be a good fit for you. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say about this unit. If you guys stayed this far, I thank you so much for watching. Really quick, I do want to give a shout out to one of my subbies. She's so sweet. I'm going to insert her name right here. And then I'm also going to put the link to her page in the description box below. Y'all, she is so sweet to me. She reached out to me because I haven't made a video in like a couple months. And she just wanted to know how I was doing. And that really made my day. She's a beautiful woman. She makes really good videos. So if you guys want to watch more hair tutorials, definitely check her out. Go subscribe to her channel and let her know that I sent you. So that's all I have to say today, and I do want to thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.